Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial brought to you by Hdesigntutorials.com. In today's video, we will focus on how to remove noise from photos with AI using ART Image Enhancer. Also, we will take a look at the face restoration feature in ART Image Enhancer and how it can be used for deblurring and restoring faces in old photos. So let's start by importing one of our low-light grainy photos to test the software. As you can see, this photo contains too much grain that can be hard to clean without a smart noise removal solution that can regenerate the lost details behind the noise pattern. So let's see how ART Image Enhancer Smart Denoiser can deal with that kind of photos. Good. Now, ART Image Enhancer has done processing the image, so let's zoom in to check the result closely. And as you can see, this is not just a normal noise removal, but it's a smart noise removal AI tool to clean grainy night shots instantly. And that's because it's not only removing the noise, but also it's regenerating the lost details that was hidden and corrupted by noise or grain. So typically, this is really a smooth and very clean result that we've got from ART Image Enhancer, and without any complicated software procedures or knowledge. Good. Now, from the AI models list, there are 5 specialized AI models, and each model works for a specific image type. We can click this icon here to read each model description and for what kind of photos it can be deployed. For example, there is the AI GC Smooth version 3 model that comes with an improved support to enhance AI-generated photos and getting more clarity and better quality from AI-generated images. Now let's try ART Image Enhancer Smart Noise Removal with another photo. And as you can see, this cat photo was very noisy. And now, with only one click, this AI tool gives us a very clean and high-quality image that we can use for any kind of professional production. Look at the eye of the cat and how it was very noisy. And now it looks very clean with more clarity and details. Let's add another photo, but this time we will choose an outdoor shot. And that's because noise or grain can also be found on well-lit photos. Especially if the shot was not exposed correctly or was captured in RAW format without any noise reduction treatment. So if you have such kind of grain in your outdoor photos, then ART Image Enhancer can be your best tool to clean up that kind of photos. And with only one click, and as you can see, the result is perfect. Now let's import an old photo to check how ART Image Enhancer can be used to restore blurry faces and removing noise from old photos. And this time, we can choose to upscale the dimension of the photo 2 times. And also we will activate the face restoration feature so that the AI works on recovering the faces as well. And as you can see, this is not only a noise reduction tool, but also it can recover old photos and restoring human face details perfectly. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And finally, let's not forget to mention the best features in ART Image Enhancer and that it can upscale photos beyond 4K resolution and also enlarge photos to 8K, 16K, and even 32K with stunning clarity. Also, it comes with 5 different AI models that can be used to enhance a variety of image types, as long as the Smart AI noise removal feature and a face restoration feature to restore old photos. Also, there is the batch export setting to export multiple photos at once. And last but not least, AirD Image Enhancer can work entirely as an offline photo processing software solution for more security and privacy. So please don't forget to check the link in the description to download and test AirD Image Enhancer for free. Once again, thanks for watching, and please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe.